Hello everyone, I'm gonna start my vlog here. I just got home from work, getting my suitcase and my duffel bag ready because I'm gonna head to the airport right now to catch my flight to Los Angeles, California. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. Bye. So I just made it through security checkpoint. So now I'm gonna go grab me a coffee and something to eat because my plane don't leave until 7:30, so I'm an hour early to check in. So that's what pretty much what I'm gonna do now. I'm getting kind of hungry here. Could it be the famous lily pad?
You need to get back in the plane and go back to Kansas.
No, that freaking plane took forever. Okay, update. We just got our phone. Yeah. We went to 3-2 pho place and we finally found a place that is serving pho where it could hold us at the table. Because every other one was pretty bad. And that is Ninja Mo Lily over there. Yeah. Man, no mana. So we just got out of Lee sandwiches, and you know, I always wanted to try their coffee. Well, I mean their boba, and I finally got one, and they could have gave me a cuter lid.
Oh my god.
Lily's having road rage right now, but this is my first time trying it, so.
I'm never coming here again. So you better stop wanting boba from here.
It's tastes like tea, like straight up tea.
Told you it's gross.
But it's still good.
No, it's
Did you want to try it?
no.
We are at LAX now. It's in here. I saw it over here.
Oh my god, we got this early.
I told you it's gonna be busy. Oh my god, I can't believe we're really going. Dang, this is crazy. But I'll do you guys in a little bit after we check in our bags and stuff. Bye. We just got our tickets. Huh, my freaking bag is like choking me. We just got our tickets. Bag move, tight, they did What's going on here now?
You have to check your...
We made it through our gate, TSA. Now we're going to get coffee.
TSA people are so rude.
So rude. Like, it's just because of the color.
I would think that especially because TSA people that especially come here are like, yeah, you should already know there's like a language barrier. You don't need to yell at them in English. They don't understand. It's annoying.
It's making her angry.
It's very rude.
Get coffee.
It's just very rude.
Do I want coffee or tea?
I don't know. Get both.
No, because I might not finish both. But, you know, I gotta get my coffee fix.
I want some yogurt.
That's parfait.
Whatever.
It's healthy. You know.
Oh, then we're
Oh
definitely...
no, I really want a banana.
If it's healthy, we're definitely not gonna get it.
But I do want to try this. Kale chip.
Mingo, he's not saving money for a lot.
So, okay, there's like the free off-duty stuff, and I told her that we need to go look because in case we might need something, but now she don't want to listen to me. And watch. She's gonna forget about something. Ow!
I stepped on his toe.
Okay, so Lily was making fun of my sandals because there was this lady that was wearing the same exact style. And she's like, oh, look at that ugly sandal. And I was like, oh, funny story. I'm going to bring up here to Thailand as well, too.
And
so,
I didn't
yeah.
believe him.
She didn't believe me, but I got it.
And he pulled it out. I was just like...
Yes. Please excuse my face right now. It's not beat to the gods right now, but it will be when we're in Thailand. But, yeah. We'll update you guys when we go to our gate. Bye.
This camera makes me look so fat. I was like...
Here, you look skinnier now. So, there goes our plane. Right there.
Right there.
There's Lily over here. It's me, but you can see our reflection, but that's our plane right there. We're getting ready to board our plane. Okay, let's go over here so we can hear our zoom. So yeah, I'm excited. Finally gonna fly to Asia. We're going in. Oh, I'm turning it backwards.
There you go. Thank you. Alyssa.
EVAE.
There you go. Thank you.
Yes, I'm excited.
There you go. Thank you so much. Hi.
There we go.
There you go.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Entering the gate. Going to.
Oh, you want a souvenir? Go give this to your mom.
But
I always keep my tickets until I come back.
we are no, this is gonna go in my souvenir box.
Oh,
I have a box for my souvenirs. But we're entering the plane now.
Good morning, other one back.
My clothes look so good. But when we get situated, I'll vlog again. We're in our plane, making our way to our chair. But yes, it's pretty fancy in here. We should have got first class. Oh, we're gonna upgrade our next one. But so excited. Are we still further back?
各位贵宾您好，为了大
哦
家
那么是
舒适及安全，请将
哦
手提
OK
行李放在上方行李
We're
箱内
seat
或前方
53.
座位下。当您打开行李箱时，请小心箱内物品，以免滑落。
Yeah.
如果出现差错，请随时通知空服人员。谢谢。
Sitting in our chairs. We are seated. It's pretty roomy. Gotta say, it's roomier than American Airlines. It is. Like, I have more room. Like even though sitting in the middle. But yes. People still getting seated. We might consider when we come back. We might upgrade to first class.
That's so cute.
Good morning from China. Got our breakfast and we got the Chinese stuff. Rice porridge, meat, but I don't know what kind of meat it is. Fruits, and then a bread. And this is a cup for a drink. And fish sauce. I guess it's like fish flakes. But we just woke up. Fish sauce. So I guess it's like fish, like you know, dry squid. I don't know. You know, we're new to this stuff. But I'm wide awake now because I'm still in American time, so that's why I'm wide awake. So I watched 3 movies within an hour or so. But we just landed in Taiwan. We're exiting the airplane right now. So tired. We feel so dirty. We're gonna go do security check. Let's go into our next plane. Oh, oh shoot. Oh, it's so bright in here. Cho nên nói một cái ngôi nè là chỉ có từ bên mà màu. Lily's behind me. Kita photo lên hổ lúc phải lấy chiếc nó của. But we're here. So we're in Taiwan International Airport right now, and we're looking at drinks.
I only have 14 cents from here. What am I gonna do?
Put it in to see what it says.
Nothing in here is 14 cents.
You have to put a dollar bill. Oh, we gotta go change it. We gotta convert our dollars.
Product is out when the X button is on.
Oh well, this is all out. Your water's all out.
Except for this one.
Oh yeah, these two.
Oh, let's go back over there.
Oh, we gotta go get changed. Can we walk in that?
Yeah, go walk on it. It's coming back this way.
Yeah. So I only bought I asked for a postcard, but they don't sell postcards here. So I got myself a Taiwan animated magnetic
I got Instapix
Fridge.
frames.
thing. But then Lily bought Hello Kitty Instapix.
I mean, I don't like Hello Kitty,
Crunchers.
but I needed the.
But we walked past this orchid place over here. I'm gonna go show you guys. It is so pretty here. Let's see. See? Like, they have like all these orchids. And they're real. Like, it's so pretty. They have like, in each airport terminal, they have like their own theme. Which is cute. See, that's how Asian they are here compared to the United States. So we got our first meal in Taiwan, and we got fish shumai, shrimp dumpling, and then a tea, Coke, and then Lily got the same thing with water, and all this was 22 Taiwan money, which is pretty expensive. So if you ever want to come to the Asia side, it's pricey. Because you're basically paying $8 for these already. And these are like $1 or something. But yeah, we're gonna eat and then go to our terminal. We are on our way to Thailand, Bangkok now. We are boarding our plane. Chịu các ba, cho nên số là chị understand rõ chị nữa. But when it's last minute, they'd be like rushing to their line. So.
Like she announced.
Oh yeah, and when you come to Asia, they'll announce it on the intercom that your plane is here and you're gonna leave. So Lily's,
look at the time
Lily's
to know
big old
yourself.
ear overheard somebody say that our plane is here. So that's why we followed them. So we would have been stuck in Taipei. We made it to Bangkok, Thailand. We're just getting off our plane right now. We're gonna go get our baggage and then fill out our immigration forms. Oh, it is so hot here. But this is how the airport looks like. It is super hot here. And I'm wearing black too. So it makes it even hotter. Yeah. Sometimes people thinking that we're like Thai, or like we're like Chinese, and they be speaking to us in their language, but we're like, oh, sorry, we're like Americans. They have more. So yeah, gonna go pick up our baggage now. We are in Thailand airport. We just got out of baggage claim and getting our passport checked. Now we're going to go get a phone card because we already exchanged our currency to their money. So yeah, and their money is so pretty. So yeah, it's pretty big. Thailand has a big airport. Like, look, like it's huge. So yeah. We're getting a SIM card right now so we can get it for our phone that we're going to be using.
This unlocked phone.
Lily, my traveling partner.
Ủa bỏ lửa Thái. Giờ thì ở lò sẽ để cho mình cả vậy. Chỉ ở chưa citizen, giờ bỏ lửa Thái bỏ lửa.
No, understand, okay? We are eating at the airport. I got myself a salmon law with greens. Lily got a fried rice style with
yum
a tom yum soup. Yes. So we're gonna eat because we can't check into our hotel until 3. But would you know, Jojo, because it's kind of brown. So
Like
hello world. So Miss Smart Lily thought we could just go like New York, go up to the street, get a taxi to take us. But no, Asia is different. You have to get a ticket number.
no,
and
you
then-
could go and just get a taxi, but not at the airport. In this case,
we had to go in line, get a ticket number, then walk to the taxi lane number that we have, and ask them to take us to the places. But oh my gosh, Thailand is so hot right now, and I'm wearing black.
We're both wearing like winter
clothes.
sweater.
So yeah, I can't wait to get to the hotel, and we're gonna change.
It's like 90 degrees.
Their 70 is like 90 in our world. Surprisingly, I'm not even tired, even though it's nighttime.
I'm tired. I
So
don't
you go
care.
out. Just because she's lazy. But we'll see you guys in a little bit because we gotta get a ticket number. Okay. So we are in our taxi now. Going to our hotel. Yeah. It's pretty hot here. 但是呢，已经是别的，对我俾個 address 咗啦，你知幫我嗰啲就
No, like both of you have a but then
呢個你知包。
No, Chichilla Chibal, but then they have, I guess, their own personal taxi for the hotel.
So yeah. 但是呢，這應該是別的。 What's up? We got freshened up.
Now
We're
we can-
going to go. We actually look clean now because we were dirty for 2 days.
No, but didn't you see the elevator? It said 2 is the Thai garden. So where the fuck is it?
Push bar to open. Right there. This way.
No, that's...
Wait, where's the Thai garden? Is it? Oh, our hotel's further down there anyways. So we're gonna go do Lily's little mini video. But we can't find the place. Okay, we're finally here. This is what we were looking for. The Thai garden.
So done.
We're gonna go out there and do Lily's little video. Okay, push that door.
Ooh, it's
We're out here, and it's super hot. And you know, like, to think that they're in Thailand, well, we're in Thailand, there's no koi's in their ponds. Okay, well, I'm gonna turn off the camera and record Lily's little promo video. Bye.
Oh.
Good evening, everyone. So, we are eating dinner at the hotel that we're sleeping at, and we have... What is this? Chicken lot? Yeah, bra kapao and tom yum soup and la. What? Chicken?
Beef.
But yeah. Oh yeah, we also ordered, well, I ordered a arugula salad. It was so good.
Mingo.
Lily has something to say.
Mingo came all the way to Thailand to eat a salad.
But it was a salad from Thailand. Good morning from Thailand. This is our hotel room back here. It's pretty big. It's like a California king-size bed. Lily slept on this side and I slept on that side. And then my stuff is right there. And then, yeah, and then this is our view. It's the Thai garden and it's pretty. Today looks like it's pretty windy. But yeah, we just got up. Well, we were up ever since 4 a.m. Thailand time because we were still used to the American time. So yeah, we were up ever since 4 and I was just watching YouTube, catching up with Instagram and stuff like that. And now we're gonna freshen up and then go down to get breakfast. And then we're gonna start heading to the airport to fly to Laos. We are down. Oh, we are downstairs now. We are going out. Oh, going out. We're going to go eat breakfast. Question is, where though? Over here. So yeah, I put on my baby cream today, so I kind of look flawless-ish. But yeah. Check out the in Thai. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is over. We're coming back to this hotel because what kind of hotel place serve dim sum for breakfast? And it's kimchi. Oh my gosh, girl. Me and Lily was trying to go for American breakfast, but we saw all these Asian foods, so we going for the Asian Hmong American food. Look at it. Like, I saw the dim sum, and I was like, dang. But yeah, we're gonna eat before we catch our flight. So we just got back from having breakfast. It was bomb.com. Oh, it's so dark. I'm so full now. But we're getting packed up. Well, I'm already packed up. Lily got to pack up her suitcase because she threw all her shit all over the freaking hotel room. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to get a taxi. And then we're going to go to Domun, the small airport, to fly out to Lopaban. And then from Lopaban to Sengkwan.
We're gonna do Samnia.
Oh, yeah, Samna. Oh, wait, we're not going to Sengkwan no more?
Oh yeah, we're gonna be in a car, so.
Oh, yeah, well, it's going to go through all that little
Providence.
and stuff. But, yeah.
It was a good experience too.
It was. I'm so full right now. I can't even move. Might have to go deliver a kid or something. But yeah. I'm gonna miss this place, but we're gonna come back here because we like the hospitality that they gave us in here. And service is good. But yeah. See y'all in a little few.
100 baht in Good Highway, IP Highway.
So
Okay? Okay.
we're on our way to the airport now.
So it's 700 baht.
Yeah.
Google what time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fly what time?
下班半点นะไปจำ
Fly what time?
Fly 2 p.m. ค่ะ
Okay. Thank you.
Miss Lily's over here translating for me and stuff, so you know, which boy I learned na na.
2รับป33ไปหลวงพระบาง100ดอนเมืองครับผม
And right there is the airport. Bye world. What's up everyone? So we just got to Daemun Airport and we're checking in our luggage. We had a little few commotion, emotion, you know, but then we got it all fixed and it's all because of this girl. She didn't check in our bag. Well, she checked our bag in, but she didn't get it
So
checked.
we're lucky we got here 2 hours ahead, and I had to run to sales counter to buy our bags.
So then we got our bag situated so it could go under the plane now. But
So next time, if they literally give you the option to purchase your bag, do it.
I'm so excited to go. Today is the day that we go to Laos.
They're gonna cut off the onions with the tag.
Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing right now. We're getting our baggage situated and stuff.
You know what? Everybody who's watching Mingo is like so freaking worthless. He can't talk. He doesn't know what to do. He can't count his money, and I had to do everything for him. That's all. But yeah, it was such a hassle at Dongmun Airport, and it's so hot. Oh my gosh. But now we're heading to Laos, and we're gonna go get Mingo's project done. Yeah. So. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Mingo just came back with my passport, but I left my passport over at the counter.
She would have been stuck here.
And then when Mingo see the video before where I took, it'll be so ironic.
We made it through the Thai gates. Oh, their sleeping poles are cuter.
And you need to have your departure stuff all filled out, or else you're gonna be stuck at the airport.
Yes, what she said, which I wasn't even paying attention to because I'm too busy looking at the stores here. Don't ever travel with Lily because she will stop you from buying everything. I'm just trying to buy stuff because it's cute. But I guess I'll do it when I come back to Thailand. Little shorty over here. But oh my gosh, I needed to pee so bad. I held it in for an hour or so.
Ever since we were in the taxi.
I almost died. But
So you just look at my house there.
we're gonna get ready to go to our gate. And yeah, I'm gonna go down this. Oh, you try to race me. She tried to race me down the stairs. I win. I jumped. But see you guys in Laos.
Forever.
So we are on our way to Lokaplan right now. Well, we're on our way to go to our airplane to fly to Lokaplan right now. And we got VIP.
Not really.
Well, not really, but we did. We did. We upgraded our seats to sit together. So that's good.
We didn't have to.
Gosh. I'm scared
Of what? Yourself?
to catch you outside. But bye Thailand. We will see you soon. We are in Laos now. We just landed. Going in to do our paperwork and stuff.
And Mango's saying big difference.
It's a big difference. No more city for me. It's dead. So, bye. So, here's an update. We just got out of Lopaman's airport and we're going to where are we going again?
I don't know where we're going.
We're going somewhere in Laos.
We are going to
Mango, let's on a little international airport.
But
I only
yes.
have
The airport here is very, very downgraded.
I don't like
We are eating now and we are fancy. We're on the floor. Well, not on the floor, but yes. But this is where we're in right now. We're in a little Hmong hut. Cute.
Có bên đó là nè.
Yeah.
Có nông
Just
tay ở chìa.
miles up.
Có nông chicken lờ có nông.
Let's go
Ok,
over here.
mà sao?
I say beef.
Mà cái hầu đấy mà. Cái hầu kỳ thôi, nào.
Mango nó như đồ gì hồi chưa?
Cái kỳ thôi.
Hello everyone. So this is Laos beer. And this is how the bottle looks like.
Tí là bỏ.
Beer Lao. Oh, it is beer Lao.
Yes.
Literally.
Beer lao mà.
Bravery.
Okay, well, I'm gonna drink it for the first time.
Ồ, cái
One
ta
shot.
kìa.
One shot.
Oh, it tastes like Corona.
Như chị em một corona.
Yeah, chị em một Corona.
Khó thân thôi.
Của chị rất là mỏi.
Bỏ lần đây.
So we just finished eating. I just had a cucumber. No, I'm just kidding. So we have pork blah, fat rice, and then I think that's like a chicken something stir fried. But I gotta say, their fried rice. I mean, their beer, the Laos beer, tastes pretty much like Corona, but lighter and less bitter. But yeah, it's cooler now. Like, I thought it would be really hot, but it's cooler down. Cooler down? That don't make sense. It cooled down a little bit. So, I can deal with this. We are still in Lopaban. We are at, like, the street markets right now. It is super packed. Look. This is so cool. Yes, just me and this spotlight right here next to me. Oh my gosh, this is the thing that they're game with, right? It's so
It
cool.
belongs to somebody.
But yes, we're gonna go Ball Britannia so we can use it here.
Oh,
What?
we're gonna cross.
Oh, okay. In Laos, they have stop sign, but the people don't.
Oh my god.
Totally the stop sign. And I was like, my future project is to help them invent stoplights. Because it's crazy. That is crazy. But yeah. Well, we're walking past the flea market. It's behind us here. But we're going to go get our exchange our money because we have United States money right now. So we want Laos money. ไปเที่ยวกันเนี่ยจะไปอ่ะ
Namanya Chota.
But yes, that's where we're going now. So yes. So we're at the little street market right now. Me and Lily just picked up some goodies. Yeah. That one's cute.
No, the front.
So yeah, I picked up souvenirs for my girls and my family already. So I'm gonna look for the guys. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. Oh my gosh. They are crazy here. They be driving. But
Some people are a little neat. Look, it's postcards that open up.
that's cute.
Mango. Cái hình đẹp hơn nó à. Như là con nó có mất khí á, cho nên nhớ cho nó à.
Pretty. Is that one that's Laos? Good morning from Laos, everyone. It's 4 in the morning here. And I want to show everyone how the restrooms are and how you shower and how you poop and pee because it's not like how we are in the United States where it's flushable and stuff and hot water will come to you. So, this is how the restroom looks like. Overall look. See, no sink, just a mirror. And these are holes from the wall to go outside. Well, the vents to like keep air in here and stuff, I guess. But this is the toilet where you poop and pee. And this is the water. And this water is not heated water. So you're gonna shower in cold, morning, day and night. So what you do is after you use the restroom, you get the water. And you flush your own poop and pee down. Yes, so this was an experience for me. And gotta say, those who are in the United States, you should be blessed and thankful that your parents are in the United States. So yeah, we're gonna be on our way to now. So bye. So we stop at a village and there's pigs and goats and cows and buffaloes. This is how it looks like. And then we're gonna travel up this road. That is so cool, right? Super cool. So yeah. And then there's a mama cow and her baby's over here. So we just stopped for a little bit. We are at Plains of Jar. Sergey, right?
Có với cái trip này nó có dạ rồi không thấy nó tươi.
But we gotta walk 1 mile to go to the Plains of Jars. Liko, you can put David in it. Good to chocolate. You got We are here at the Plains of Jars. We're walking down.
Sao không lỡ sao để không lạnh thế là.
Good night, but yes, it's a bucket loop.
Cô sao đến chơi
Let's
chụp phát
check out.
chỉ tới nó lớn to là giá tôi sợ luôn.
But yes, This is always a bucket list of mine to do. And I'm so glad that 2017 is the year that I did this. Yes. I'm excited. Look at it, it's so pretty. We are here, Plains of Jor. If you guys have not seen it before, this is how it looked like. It's very, very Caucasia here. Thank you for ruining my video. But yes, this is where Liko and Fa Zhao came to the music video. We're about to do a remake. We're about to do a remake of the music video right now. Gondrodona's cave.
Bring a stone and put inside.
You have to?
Give me my GoPro.
I don't have
Bring
a
a stone.
So you have to pick up a stone and then you stack it in here. But it is super pretty in here. People have cigarettes. And then there's a hole up there. It's beautiful in here. You can see me in here now. But wow, it's pretty. Oh, there's two holes. Pretty cool.
Where am I supposed to put it?
Anyway.
Xiên cửa từ nó chỉ tao mua từ chỉ mua đôi kê lu lion đâu mong kê đê chế có là hai do cái phim lại khăn đê là hai lo lu dê gấu mong xiên còn có tua xia
We are eating in San Juan right now. But girl, we just saw each a new lang like really, really jama.
Nãy giờ lâu á, like nãy mập lá yêu mình nhỏ là giờ cha nãy giờ dày giờ lâu luôn.
Like they're over there. They're over here in this little corner over here. And it was so awkward because I know they're from America and they're all old guys, which is nasty. So, but anyways, back to our meal. I ordered me pho. And how American can I be? I got French fries. And then Lily got la, and then Gu got vermicelli and a platter. And then Gu's friend got the same thing as me. So yeah, and I'm drinking this deliciousness Fanta from Laos. But we're still in Sin Quan right now. And then we're gonna head out soon to Sumner to get the school supplies for my project. So we are at Sumner now.
Really?
Flea markets.
Hello.
Bamboo shoots. But yes, we just came and bought these. It's cold here. It's freezing. Hello. We are still in Sumner. Now we're playing balloon darts. Pretty fun, right?
You need to get the shot to get the drink.
Oh, to get a drink? Oh, that's the prize?
You need to.
Oh my god, you
Pay to chế tới phòng最好.
Yeah.
know, I hate the sound of balloons popping.
Oh, girl, you're done. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning from Go High.
Hi!
It's so peaceful here. It's cold here, though. Like, let me show you guys. But yes, we're gonna eat lunch now, well, breakfast before we go. So yes. And we are still in, what is this town again? Kanti. The pastor is doing a meal for us.
A beaver meal.
Yes, it's a beaver meal. So I don't know how about that.
And you know who's leading us? Mary had
Had a little lamb.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, it is. Look at our view right now.
But look at me. I'm tired.
But yes, I have finished my first project in Kanti school. And then I did another project here as well. I have donated to the church that is in this town so they could buy stuff for the church. I also caught footage of the church inside, so that will be in my video. So we are on another mission. We're gonna go see the hills. So pretty. So yes. It's pretty high up.
Oh. Dear, bây giờ chúng ta tí cái trên đi cho tí sao to rồi.
It's pretty high up. Look, you guys want to see the view? Sorry, I can't zoom in.
This under a village over there.
Pretty fun.
Cái chim nhỏ thế nào? Chim như là cho mèo đâu rồi.
Good morning. Today is day 2 that we're in the village. I can't believe we're leaving tomorrow. It feels like we were here for longer, but then it's so short. So sad. Like, it's so peaceful here. But Yeah. I'm gonna miss this place. Have to come back. But somebody's bumping some music over there. On a motorcycle. Oh, take video yourself. Taya, we're going in the woods to get banana shoots. Huh? It is so far. Cô ơi, có cho bé một từ à? This is... Ow! Ow! Ôi! Chị phá cái này á! Ui! Hey, yes, girl. Ôi nó mà. Yes, girl. Cô luôn mẹ đây.
My name. Hi, my name. Hi, Liputama. My name is Annie.
Good morning, our last day here. We are at the garden. Lim Jamon Hai Mong Chua Da Xie. So we are eating our last meal in Samna before we take off to Luo Prabang. So this is how their food looks like in Laos. They use the thick noodle. So this is the Lao style food. Yeah, everybody's here. The whole family over there too. And the baby that's holding the over there. So yeah, don't want to go home but have to go home because of work. Yeah. So we just got to Luo Prabang and this is what is happening right now. This is what is the hold up for our suitcases because somebody want to bring their freaking motorcycle all the way from freaking Samnun. And look what we're at right now. We are still in the same position as we were before 20 minutes ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep recording because I'm gonna see if they drop this fucking shit or not. Oh shit, it's fucking sliding. And like, they got all the skinny people holding that freaking heavy ass motorcycle. Oh fuck. Oh shit, the moment of truth is coming right now. Ooh, his wee almost got hit. But it came down. Now he's all shit now. And me and Lily's suitcase is so heavy. We got some fucking rice in there. So let's see how this skinny person's gonna bring it down for us. So we are on our way to the airport. Oh look where we're riding. Is this the free? No, it's the full wheel.
Our suitcase will not fit the 3-wheel.
Oh yeah, true. They have to throw it up here. But we're on our way to the airport. So, today is our last day in Laos. We are in Luang Prabang airport right now. And
Chị cả có phải à?
oh, 在你扣起了有扣起，flower 了噻。你是冇得不买？
Chị cả có không
So sad. 不是现在看得对。It's hot. That's why I'm wearing shorts today. Because I know Thailand's gonna be hot. So we are in Thailand, Bangkok, but we're in a different part of town. We're freaking walking 5 to 6 minutes to catch taxi to go eat fun before we leave tonight. Around 2 in the morning, back to the United States. So yeah, I said this is gonna be my last time coming to Thailand. Can't even get a taxi around here. You have to walk to the taxi.
Do you screenshot the
Address?
flight?
Yes.
Our flight?
Oh shit, no. I have to go do it later. But, yes. Walking still. Show you the food in a little bit. We finally made it to the restaurant. Oh, unzip it. True. So we're at this little place ordering food.
Hi.
What's your dinner? Hi.
Oh, I look so ugly.
Fish fish.
Ini kena cetak. Kena cetak.
Ôi Linh, trâu tấy đi mà.
Cho tay mà.
So just got our chai tea, and it's from Thailand. Bob.com. It is 15 bowls of these little cuties. Noodles in Thailand. Oh my gosh, look at it. Have you ever ordered this much noodles at one time? It's a lot. This is the bomb.com. So we kill it. We'd kill all of our food. That was chicken wings, meatball on a stick, and 15 bowls of little fun.
And fried chicken.
And fried chicken. I'm so full right now. Look at my baby. It's 9 months pregnant. I don't know who the daddy is.
Due in 2 hours.
It's due in 5 seconds right now. I can feel it back there. It's boiling up. We just finished eating. We're gonna walk to the little flea market to get souvenirs. And then we're gonna head to the airport in a little bit. Our trip in Asia is ending tonight. Da, 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 da. Let's go swim!
On the time you can see a lot of people, but this is night time.
I like it like this. I don't like too much people. It's too like, it makes me angry. Start hitting people. Hello everyone. So today is my last day in California and we just stopped by Lee Sandwich to get myself a milk tea and a galapao and a chip. What the fuck is in this shit?
I'll be back.
But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this galapao because I just took my medicine. And yeah. Haven't had these in so long. Oh, they have Chinese sausage, eggs. And pork meat. Like I was telling Lily, I freaking miss Laos so much. And I told her that I can't believe we're back in the United States. Ma'am. She went in there to pay for her phone. They don't. Girl, we just gotta go to a Metro PC. So yeah. So I'm finally back home. It's 4 a.m. in the morning and my flight just landed. So I'm finally home and my baby is here with me. I'm gonna close or end the vlog here. First and foremost, I want to say thanks to all the people that have donated towards my projects. I will be editing the video as soon as I can. But like I said on my Facebook, the vlog video will be up first because I want to take the time and perfect my documentary video. So that's all for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.